Hi guys, today we are going to do Casa Terradas cone shape. First take the circle tool from the toolbar and draw a circle of 4 feet. Then take the pencil tool and draw a line from any point in the border to the center point. From this center point, draw a circle up to 8 feet. Now we have two circles. Now extend the line we drew previously in the smaller circle up to the border of the big circle. From this intersection point, draw a straight line of 90 degree up to 8 feet. Then from the outer border, draw a line to connect with the 90 degree line. And from this top edge, connect a line to the center. Now we will get two triangles, two right angled triangles. And now take the follow me tool and click the outer triangle and drag it along the circle to get a frustum shape. And the dragging was end with the starting point. Then from the center point, draw a 12 feet 90 degree straight line. After that, join the top point of the 12 feet line to the inner triangle top point which we drew previously. Using the follow me tool again, click and drag the big triangle along the border. And the dragging was end with the starting point. It's over. Now we get the Casa Terradas cone shape design. It's finished, but before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.